In 1968, Dr. Spencer Silver aimed to create a powerful adhesive. Instead, he accidentally made a weak, reusable glue. This adhesive stuck to surfaces but easily peeled off. Dr. Silver spent years seeking a use for it. It became known as the solution without a problem. Miles away, Art Fry faced a different issue. He struggled with bookmarks falling from his hymn book. He recalled Silver's glue, envisioning sticky bookmarks. Fry created bookmarks that didn't damage pages. He used them for office notes, sparking interest. Colleagues requested more sticky notes. Demand grew. 3M launched the product, but sales were flat. People viewed them as ordinary notepads. Undeterred, 3M tried the Boise Blitz. Free samples flooded all Boise offices. Once tried, people couldn't imagine life without them. Reorder rates soared over 90%. Globally launched, they became a phenomenon. The Post-it note emerged from a failed glue. It shows innovation follows curiosity and collaboration. Sometimes, a solution awaits the right problem to solve.